everything about timers in JavaScript. Timers are one of the most useful features when you want to schedule code to run after a certain amount of time or repeatedly at fixed intervals. Okay, so by the end of this part you will fully understand how timers work, how to use them correctly, and when to avoid common mistakes. Okay, so let us look at these timers. So timers let us delay the execution of a code or repeat it. Okay, and there are two main functions you will use. Okay, so the first one is the set time. Okay, it is like this, set timeout. The first one is the set timeout. This function. Okay, this function, and this one runs the code after a delay. Okay, and here, as you can see, it takes in a timeout, it takes in the time. Okay, the timeout, it takes in the handler, which is a function. Here, as you can see, when we move over it in VS Code, here the handler, and it is a function. The handler, it is in form of a function. Here the timeout, which is a number. Okay, and other arguments. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so we have another function which is called the setInterval. This one, setInterval. This one. Okay, and this one runs code repeatedly after a fixed delay. Okay, after a fixed delay. This one, the first one, the set timeout, runs code once after a delay. Okay, it runs it once after a delay. Okay, and this one, the setInterval, it runs the code repeatedly after a fixed delay. Okay, so I think you have got the difference. Okay, so let us look at the set timeout. Let us first comment out this one. Okay, let us look at the set timeout, and this one we started using the set timeout. Okay, this timeout time should be I should start with the uppercase and the out like this. Set timeout. Okay, like this. Okay, you should note down that one. Okay, so let us see the example. Okay, I can give you. Okay, you should note that in this one it takes in a function. Okay, and after that function, then here we should have a delay which is in form of a number. Okay, and then after there it is in form of a number in terms of milliseconds. Okay, milliseconds. Okay, so after here, then here we can provide arguments, which is the argument 1, arg1, argument 1, argument 2, like that. Okay, so that is the structure of the set timeout. Okay, as you have seen when we hover over it. Okay, so here we have the handler, which is the function, the handler, and then the timeout, which is in form of a number, and then the arguments. Okay, as you can see, so this first parameter, this one, is a function you want to run. Okay, and the second one, the second parameter, is the delay, is the second, which is the second, is the delay in milliseconds. Okay, and this one, these ones, the others, they are optional. You can pass arguments to a function. Okay, so let us see one example here. Okay, which is mostly used, the most common way of using set timeout. So inside here we should have a function. So let me create an arrow function like that. Then this arrow function is we are going to console.log. Let us just alert. So let us alert hello, like that. Okay, so after doing that, then here we can pass the delay. Okay, the delay, we said it is in terms of milliseconds. Okay, so as you can see, so here we are going on timeout, which is in form of a number. So here in milliseconds we count them in the thousands. Okay, so this one, okay, 1000 means 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Then 2000 means 2 seconds. 2000, 2 seconds. Then 10,000 means 10 seconds. Okay, like that. Okay, so this one, let us set 2 seconds, like that. Okay, so when we save and we wait for 2 seconds to pass, we are going to see our hello message. Okay, it is there, hello. Okay, so let us increase. Okay, let us first increase to 3. Okay, so when we save, run 1, 2, 3. Okay, it should now come out. So as you have seen, so let us wait for some kind of 5 seconds again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it should come out now. Okay, so as you can see, so that's how we can use the set timeout. Okay, and this will wait for 5 seconds and then print out our message. Okay, as you have seen. Okay, so let us see another one, which is the clear timeout. So sometimes you may want to cancel a timeout before it runs. Okay, so for that you can use the clear timeout. Okay, so for example, here we have the timeout, the set timeout, this one. Okay, so let us let me show you the example of using the clear timeout. Okay, so let the timer, here we have a timer which is the set timeout, this one that we had. Okay, so let us just bring this code here. Let's just copy this one here from there, then we paste it there. Okay, it's going to store all these ones. Okay, it is going to, so our timer that we have set, so let us first save. So if we save and we wait for 5 seconds, let us see if there is something that is going to come out. So we get our hello message, as you can see. So this timer, we want to cancel it. Okay, we want to cancel it after certain condition. Okay, but here we are not going to use conditions. Okay, we are just going to clear it. So let us clear it. So let us first set it to be for 2 seconds. So then here we are going to use the clear. Here we use the clear timeout. So the clear timeout, then here we pass in our timer. Okay, our timer. So let us wait for 2 seconds, as if there is nothing that is alerted on the screen. Okay, in the browser there is nothing, because we have cancelled the timeout. Okay, before it runs. Okay, so that's how you can cancel it. That's how you can cancel it. This one you can use it when certain condition. You can try to cancel this timeout if certain condition they are not met. Okay, so that's where you can use this clear timeout. Okay, so let us see. Let us look at another concept, which is the set interval. So when we talk about the set interval, we mean a function which keeps running the code repeatedly after every delay. Okay, so let us look at it. So here, let us remove this set timeout, our timer. So we use the set interval. The set interval. Okay, and this is the structure of the set interval. Okay, as you can see here. So the set interval, it takes in a function, and in this case it is an allo function. Then here we need to provide the interval, which is in form of the number, as you can see, the number. Then here you can see we have the handler, which is a function, handler function. Then here we have the timeout. Okay, which is the in form of a number. Okay, so let us provide the interval for. So for our interval, we are going to provide 1 second. Then here we are going to console. Let us use console.log. We are going to log out hello, like that. Okay, so after there we are going to save, but before we save, let us open our console by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I. So it is going to open up. It's going to open up. Okay, so after opening up, let us save our program. So if we save, we are going to get something like hello one. I think after this one runs after every 1 second. Okay, after every 1 second, this code runs after every 1 second. Okay, as you can see, 13, 14, 15, it is running after every 1 second. So let us put another, let us add another delay, another interval. Okay, like expand the interval. So let us expand the interval. Let us add 3 seconds, like this. As you can see, this one, it is a little bit fast. Okay, it is a little bit fast. So let us make it slow. Okay, by making it to wait for after every 3 seconds. Okay, so let us save, and when we save, wait for 3 seconds, we print our hello message. Then we wait for 3 seconds, we print another one. Wait for 3 seconds, we print another one. Wait for 3 seconds, we print another one. As you can see. Okay, as you can see, if you are seeing it very well here, as you can see here, 7, okay, 8, 9, again, wait. Okay, like that. Okay, even this one, like when we used the clear timeout, okay, the clear timeout, when we were using the set timeout, okay, we can also clear out the interval, okay. We can stop that interval when we use the clear interval, okay. So for example, here we have our interval, so let us store it in a variable interval like that. After storing it in a variable, then here we want to use the clear interval, then here we should provide in our interval. Here inside the clear interval, we should provide our interval there, okay. So here we provide our interval. So if we save, then as you can see, after 3 seconds we get nothing, okay. We get nothing because we have cleared this interval, okay. We have cleared it. So but what if it was some kind of one? As you can see, we get nothing, okay. But what if it was some kind of one like that, okay, still we get nothing, okay. So we have cleared this interval, okay, we have cleared it, okay. So let us look at another part, which are the timers and the event loop, okay. So it is important to know that timers in JavaScript are not exact. So if you set a timeout for 1,000 milliseconds, it may take a little longer depending on what else your program is doing. So this is because JavaScript uses an event loop, okay. So timers are placed in a queue, okay, in a queue, and they only run when the call stack is clear, okay. So you will get this after after revising a lot of notes. But if you are not getting it right now, just relax, okay. I just want you to know, okay, why that one happens, okay. So if you are going to be a game developer, for example, if you are going to use Babylon.js or 3.js, you are going to use what is called the request animation frame, okay. It is called the request animation frame. I want you to know about this one, the request animation frame, that one, okay, that function. This one, it takes in a callback, which is the frame request callback, okay. And this one it takes in a function, okay. That callback, it is in form of a function, okay. It's a callback function. So for animation, instead of using the set interval, you should use the request animation frame, and this method tells the browser to run your code before the next screen repaint, making animations smoother, okay. So if you are going to be a game developer, if you are going to write like a 3D rendering in browsers using the Babylon.js, you will need this concept about this one. You will know about these ones when you start the 3D rendering, okay. So this one, the example I can give you, let us create a function here. Just want you to see, but don't mind about it so much, okay. Just try to see what I'm doing, but you will learn this one when you start working with 3D rendering, okay. So if you understand right now, then it's better, okay. So let us create frame. Our frame is running like this. So let us enclose it, forgot to enclose it. Then after there, we are going to call the request animation. So we are going to call the request animation frame. Then we are going to give it our function, our same function, okay, which is the animation, okay. So after doing that, then we are going to call the request animation frame. Then again, we are going to call this function, our function, which is the animation, okay. So if we save, as you can see, we are running it very fast. As you can see, frame running, it is running at a very fast speed, okay. It is running at a very fast speed, and the faster it is, the smoother are the animations, okay. Here in the browser, the smoother the animations, okay. So that's how we can use use timers, okay, in JavaScript. So play with them, play with the set timeout and the set intervals, okay, to run certain pieces of code after a given period of time. Okay, play with them, play with them. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share the videos. Okay, please share my videos, share my videos. Knowledge is good if you share that knowledge. Okay, so thank you.